Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 7-inch single-DIN universal Android 8.0 oreo system head unit. Okay, here is box. Let me unbox the review. You can check this box. Okay, let me open it. Okay, you can check. Okay. This is head unit. Let me introduce harness and at first. Okay, you can check this come with dash kit. This dash kit install kit. Okay, and come with GPS antenna. And this is Wi-Fi antenna. This is harness, ROS harness. You can check this ROS harness. Okay. There USB cable. This is install kit. Okay, this is audio cable. And the other one, this is external microphone. Okay, this is user menu. Okay. This is the head unit. Okay, you can check their GPS card slot, so SD card slot, DVD player, this screen. Okay, you can install this front panel. You can back this power. Okay. Okay, installed. You can check this DVD player, this power, volume, microphone, this kit, this volume, hang up, GPS. Okay, and you can check this come with this install kit, metal install kit. Okay, you can check this radio antenna, these connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS antenna, this power cable, USB to USB. Okay, let me power the head unit with 12 voltage. Okay, install, connect this power. Okay, single DIN, power 12 voltage. You can check head unit real power. Okay, you can check it have 7-inch screen. Sorry, there is two. Okay, this is single DIN. You can. The head unit is power on, power off. Okay, let me check. You can check settings, system, but motion you can check PX5 Octa Core, and Android version is 8.0 oreo system. Okay, we back the home. Okay, turn off. Okay, you can check this single DIN size. Okay, that's all. Thank you.